Me Ram Lama, and in this video I'll be helping you to join class through Zoom. And now KIT have integrated Zoom in Moodle. So what you have to do is, first of all, you must be opening your Zoom. Okay, Zoom application. First thing is to do open your Zoom. So I'll open my Zoom here. Okay, so I have opened, and make sure that you are signed in. Okay, then if you are signed in, then just skip it, minimize it, and go to browser and log into your Moodle account. And you have subject here called NT103 intermediate Greek. So click on that, and now you can see here you have on information, and if it is all closed, okay, it will be something like this. So what you have to do is click on Monday, okay, or Wednesday if it is Wednesday. Okay, so click Monday, and you can see here we have a video icon, introduction to class meeting. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click here. Okay, so once you click here, now it is saying unable to join at this time. Okay, so but here when it is like the time will be at 3 o'clock, the class will be at 3 o'clock. So when it is 3 o'clock, so you have to come before 3 o'clock. That means 2:50. Okay, so when you come here at 2:50, then you'll have here join meeting option. So you have to just click on that, then automatically it will permit you to connect. Okay, like other meeting, if I show you one from my, okay, if so let me minimize and go to browser. So as I was saying you, okay, when we click here, okay, so there will be option for join meeting. When you click there, then it will redirect to another website, something like, okay, like this. Okay, like it will come like this. So it will say open Zoom meeting. So what you have to do, you have to click on open Zoom meeting, then you'll be connected to your class. So make sure you have already open your Zoom application and log into your account. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to join in Zoom class through Moodle. It is very much easy. Please follow the instruction carefully. Thank you very much for watching, and please help your brothers and sisters who are weak in technical thing, help them to connect. Okay, thank you very much.